Mijia Smart Air Purifier 6 Review. Best Smart Air Purifier for Large Rooms. Looking for a smart air purifier that can clean the air in a larger room without taking up too much space? The Mijia Smart Air Purifier 6 looks promising, but is it actually worth buying? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Mijia Smart Air Purifier 6 is designed for everyday indoor air cleaning, with a particle CADR of around 443 cubic meters per hour. Xiaomi rates it for rooms up to around 50 square meters under its stated coverage standard, making it suitable for bedrooms, living rooms, and other medium to large spaces. It uses a multi-layer filtration system that combines a primary filter, high-efficiency filter, and activated carbon layer. The purifier is designed to capture fine particles such as dust and pollen, while also helping reduce odors and certain household pollutants. Another useful feature is its built-in air quality monitoring. The purifier can track particle levels along with temperature and humidity, while automatic mode can adjust purification based on the detected air quality. Smart control is also a major advantage. Using the Xiaomi Home app, you can monitor air quality, change operating modes, schedule the purifier, and check the filter condition. This makes it convenient if you want to control the device without constantly adjusting it manually. For nighttime use, the purifier also offers a sleep mode designed for quieter operation. Its relatively compact tower design means it doesn't require a huge amount of floor space either. However, there are a few things to consider. Actual room coverage depends on the room layout, air circulation, and how quickly you want the air cleaned. The filter also needs periodic replacement, which adds to the long-term cost. And if you're trying to purify a very large open-plan area, a higher CADR model may be more suitable. Overall, the Mijia Smart Air Purifier 6 is a good option for buyers who want strong everyday filtration, smart controls, automatic monitoring, and a compact design. For extremely large spaces, though, you may want something more powerful. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below what you think.